Okay, guys, let's now have a look at Mathematical Literacy Paper 1, question 4. So, in most cases, when you're solving this kind of questions, you'd obviously look at the given statement, go through the statement, and refer to annexure C. But in this case, I think it would be best if we can just quickly go through the map and then later have a look at the statement and the question. So I'm just quickly going to take you through ways in which you can have a look at a map, try to interpret whatever that is presented to you in the map. So this is not a full lesson regarding the way in which we interpret a map. I think the best platform or subject to use in assisting you to interpret a map is through geography. But in this case, I'll just go through the obvious stuff. So when you're given a map, you firstly need to know where is your true north. So in this case, our true north, it's pointed upwards. So it means if you are standing somewhere there, your true north is up there. On your right, it's obviously your east. On your left, it's your west. Down, it's your south. So from whichever point you stand, upward will be your north, west, east, and south. And again, you need to have a look at the scale of the map. So that means for every 1 unit measured on the map, it represents 3,007,874 units. So the other thing that you look in a map obviously is the routes, and in this case we've got a main route, and you've got some other small routes which are interacting with the main routes or crossing with each other. And again, remember guys, when you're given a map, it also indicates some places around the area. So if you have a look at that portion, it's actually zoomed in and it's represented in this area. So it's not like you're given 2 maps. This is just 1 map, and that portion is zoomed in. So I think for now, let's leave it there. I'll take some few questions, and then from there I'll go deeper into explaining some more information. Okay, so this is how a compass looks like. You've got your true north there. This is east, this is west, this is south. So it actually indicates the directions. It's called a compass. So you can have say an object or a car moving in that direction or in any of these directions. So for a car moving upwards from this point, it's moving towards the north, in that direction towards the east, towards the south, and towards the west. So you can also have a car moving in that direction, and also in that direction. So you can see it's moving towards the northern side, but on the eastern side of the campus. So you can also have another object or an aeroplane flying in that direction. So it's also moving southwards, but in the eastern side of the campus. So you can also have another car moving in that direction, which is southwards in the western side of the campus. And you can also have another car moving in that direction. So it would be moving towards the northern side, but on the western side of the campus. So let me check if there's something that I've missed. And also, which is the most important part, so this is the route map from Uppington to Springbok. So let's have a look at the map and check where's Uppington. There. This is Uppington. So this map actually shows the route from there all the way up to Springbok. So it seems like to get to Springbok, we use this route. This is Springbok. So let's see. So along this route, obviously, if we were to use compass to determine the direction in which this route goes in terms of in which direction it's moving, the first thing that you need to know is from which point. So you can just draw a compass there if they say give the direction of Springbok from Uppington. So you just draw your compass there, and you can easily indicate that when you follow this route to Springbok, you'll be going obviously southwards, but on the western side of the campus. So it might be southwest, because if you take that campus and place it there, it's obviously not straight downwards, not straight to the left, but in between. That's why you can just make a comment, say it's actually southwest. But for now, I think we just need to have a look at what's being presented on the map. So I'm just trying to look if there's something that I'm missing. And also remember, guys, so you along this route you have some towns. You can also have some other things like farms, rivers, and it could be a lot of things. But for now, you just need to know that you've got the N14. This is the route, the N14 to Springbok. I think for now, let's move to question. From there, we'll surely explore some more, obviously through questions. But for now, I think what I've actually explained is what you need to know. Then we'll just see how it goes when we tackle the questions. Okay.